म्यूजिक और मैजिक के बीच में कोई कनेक्शन है क्या? क्या बता रहा है
भाई? बहुत ही गहरा कनेक्शन है म्यूजिक और मैजिक के बीच। जैसे मैं कैसे बताऊं, जब म्यूजिक है ना, जो अपना जो एम्पलीफायर जिसमें स्पीकर में बजता है उसको तोड़ के सीधा दिल को छू जाता है ना, then it creates magic. You know what I mean? यानी कि आज ये मैजिक की स्टेज पे पूरा इंडिया देख रहा है. You're gonna watch, we're gonna watch, everybody's gonna watch. So are you guys ready?
बहुत डीप था, मतलब मैं अब तक फील कर.
You feeling it, no?
Yeah.
So are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the magic to happen? Please make some noise. Are you guys ready?
Get set for Happy New Year, Music का Magic.
Can we hear for Happy New Year team guys? Okay. हम लोग हमारा पहला परफॉर्मेंस स्टेज पर है. नेक्स्ट वेलकम. आपको एक ही बात की हैरानी है, आज भी शाहरुख भाई की बॉडी ऐसे कैसी है भाई? जैसे शाहरुख खान और एग्जैक्टली यार वो, लेकिन वो जोड़ी अलग हो गई यार, वो प्यार वाली जोड़ी हो गई. मैं कौन सी जोड़ी की बात कर रहा हूँ? एक्टर्स और प्लेबैक सिंगर की जोड़ी. यानी इन दोनों की जोड़ी भी बहुत मायने रखती है ना. यानी शाहरुख खान की पर्सनालिटी के साथ उनकी दमदार वॉइस, यानी कि अपने सुखी पाजी सुखविंदर सिंह, अब वो आपका दर्द जिसको चक दे हो या फिर छैया 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 कोई भी गाना हो यार, जब ये दोनों साथ में आते हैं ना, चार्ट बास्टर्स पढ़ते चले जाते हैं ऊपर ही ऊपर.
सुपर सेंसेशनल जोड़ी का अगला मैच एंड नंबर दैट्स गोना रूल योर म्यूजिक प्लेयर फॉरएवर. सटकली. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome अपना गबरू जवान सुखविंदर सिंह.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our next performer tonight.
Prediction. If you can hold that for me.
तो इनके पास YouTube पे कुछ prediction है, हम देखते हैं कि इनका prediction सही है या नहीं.
Now, as we're talking about the internet, I've got this article which I thought was quite appropriate.
And stop.
Now, are you happy there, or do you want to change your mind?
I am happy there.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's where I'll cut. Okay, and there it goes off to the floor. Okay. I'm going to use 2 fingers to pick this up, to make sure I'm not swapping the piece. Could you have a look at the top line for me where you cut? Could you read the top line?
इन्होंने जिस आर्टिकल को काटा है, जहाँ पे मैंने स्टॉप करा, उसके पहले इसकी hyper, ape, yawn, that was
okay, so 3 words: hyper, ape, and yawn. They're the 3 words that you stopped at. Is that correct?
Hyper, ape, yawn पे मैंने इनको रोका. Correct.
Okay, could you hit YouTube for me?
Okay.
Just there.
YouTube. Okay.
Okay. I have a prediction on YouTube. And you can see on the back of this board, Happy New Year.
Whoa!
Thank you.
Super!
Thank you very much.
ये जोरदार तालियां बजा.
Thank you.
Okay, इसके अलावा भी आप कुछ चाहते हैं? आपको व्यू का मेरा व्यू है. आपको और कुछ चाहते हैं? Do you know more magic?
I would love that. Oh yeah, but I need you to help me.
Yeah, I will help you. Come on, let's go for it.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let me see. What I need everyone to do is put their hands out in front of them and give them a shake. We'll do that.
Okay, everybody.
Good. You just palm your hands outwards, facing outwards. Cross your hands over and clasp them together. Good. Now show me very clearly what I want you to do, and I'm going to state very clearly what I want you to do. So that's it. Hands out, cross your hands over. Perfect. Keep them out like that. Now show me very clearly what I want you to do, and state very clearly what I want you to do. When I say now, point your thumbs to the ground. Okay.
All the thumbs to the ground.
Now do this. Copy me. Now point them to the ceiling. See, magic about deception, you've been deceived.
Yeah! Okay, very nice. Super, very nice.
Thank you.
Super, super. Well,
Okay.
इनका तो ये साल बाय साल स्क्रीन का मैच है ना? Small?
Like,
That's
what we normally call Bowmans anyway. Okay. So I'm going to show you a bigger magic.
Yeah?
I'm going to say one word.
Okay.
And you'll see the biggest magic on the stage today.
एक word.
एक word यार, मेरा एक word ही काफी है. And the word is action. Killing, can you do better magic than this?
I would love to try.
I doubt that anyone can be more magical than my star cast.
Absolutely. I'll give it a go though.
Especially Viman because he keeps doing the disappearing act. Common, you heard what I said? No, darling, I was talking about your nose.
Is it okay if I come in between you two lovely people here? Is that okay? Come in between here, like, so you can see. What I'm going to ask you to do, what I have here is a digital vault. Okay, and inside this digital vault, I'm just going to open up the digital vault, and inside is something quite glamorous. It's actually tennis ball. Okay, it's not too glamorous, but it might be more impressive if I just reach in there, go out into reality. Now,
You get a diamond out from there.
a diamond.
Yeah.
What would you? Is there anything you would want in particular? What you might want is perhaps let's look for perhaps a pack of cards. So let's open up the digital vault, and hopefully I have a digital pack of cards in there. Let's have a look. Let's just put it down, and then let me just reach in there and grab other cards into reality.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilise the cards for another digital trick, if that's okay. It's okay? Perfect. Well, I'm going to come back over here. Would you mind holding the iPad for me? And I'm going to take the cards, and I'd like you to select a card for me. Is that possible? Okay, they're all different. You can see they're all different. And I'm going to ask you just to shout stop. So I'm going to flick through the cards like this, and whenever you want, you just shout stop. Okay, here goes. Ready, go. Stop! I think we heard
Abhishek,
that.
the traffic has stopped outside.
Okay, we don't want to take the one we can see, which is the two of clubs. Take the one I can't see, have a look at it. Don't show me, I'll turn away.
हमको दिखाओ, हमको दिखाओ.
Okay.
No.
Oh. I won't want to cheat. Okay, and could you place it back for me? Perfect. Now could you say a number between 1 and 10? Any number between 1 and 10? Say it out loud.
Not shout, no?
Not shout.
Yeah, I can count. 7.
7. Okay, your card will come flying out this pack. Spin 7 times, and I'm going to attempt to catch it. There we are. There we are. And in living colour, is that your card?
No.
It really isn't? Oh.
No.
Oh, okay. I'll just leave that sticking out there then. And I said I'm a digital magician, so I'm going to utilise the iPad, to the tablet for this, yeah. The Lenovo tablet. Here we go. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw something on here. I need you to stare at it for me, okay?
All right.
Let me just have a look at that. Okay, you're not too impressed, I can tell.
My children draw better than this. Huh?
Do they? Okay. How about that? Okay, still not too impressed. Okay, you want a card, you want a playing card, and you want the right card. So, in a loud, clear voice, is that the card you're thinking of?
No! You're a really bad magician.
Okay. I think I better go back to the UK. All right, but before I do, let me just try and
we want our money back.
Here, all the way down, then across. So now it looks like a box of cards, a whole pack of cards, like this. So if you actually take the cards, have a little look, have a little watch, you get a little wave. You get a little wave, you should find that one card starts to rise out of the back. Is that your card? And do you remember that one I got wrong all that time ago? Actually turns into your card. And it's got, it's the King of Hearts. So obviously this needs to go to the King of Bollywood, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. And of course, I wouldn't leave the leading lady out. So of course I need the lead. So what I need to do, we go back to the digital vault, we'll open up the digital vault and we have a nice flower for you. But which is obviously no good for the leading lady, so perhaps it would be better if we take it out there. Oh, look at that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Would you like to see one more? Have you got time for one more?
Okay, would you like to see one more, guys?
Yeah? Okay. What we're going to do is I'm going to come over here and go to Google, and let's say we type in, obviously, Happy New Year movie, and click search. Now, I suggest you do this at home, because if you want to wear something, like let's say for example what Cheryl's wearing, let's go to images, and let's choose an image that we like. For example, this one. Let's enlarge the poster up, so to there. You can see? Okay. What's quite nice is if you zoom in to the poster, what you can do, and try this at home, go to Google, type it in, type the poster in, you just pull it straight out into reality. Which, obviously I think it looks better on Cheryl than it does on me, but it's worth doing. Now,
But Keelan, it's a music launch. Where's the CD?
A CD, okay. Well, this is the way a digital magician would do a music launch. So I need some help of some assistants, and I think they're coming in here. We've got some assistants coming in. And 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. So hopefully on here, we'll see the CD appear. And what would be quite nice is if I was a digital magician, what I could do is reach in and then hopefully pull it straight out into reality. But that's the way a digital magician would do it.
इतनी बड़ी picture और इतनी छोटी CD.
Oh.
Keelan, I think our movie is a little bigger than this.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, we need a bigger launch.
Like a Bollywood launch?
Yeah. So
Oh.
why don't you go and sit there and I'm going to show you some magic.
I would like to see that.
Yeah.
You can keep that.
No, complimentary from me.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So guys, now as the Moranis call it the hurdle, let's do the hurdle around the hurdle. Okay, so we are going to show you the CD launch now. And okay.
Okay, the magic is going to begin. Farah is going to say abracadabra and release our music.
And abracadabra.
Farah कुछ हुआ नहीं. Farah कुछ हो नहीं रहा है.
अरे we can't कुछ होएगा भी नहीं शाहरुख because music launch है और music directors ऊपर.
For the greatest music director duo, our friends, and who have done some amazing magic for our films over the years. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Vishal and Shekhar.
And our most magical lyricist, Irshad Kamil. Irshad bhai, come up here.
Let's hear it for Irshad bhai. Thank you, Irshad bhai. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
और शाहरुख.
Thank you, Irshad bhai. Come on, come on. ऐसे लिरिक आपको बार बार नहीं सुनने को मिलेंगे. Nonsense की night. We're feeling all right.
वो विशाल और मैंने लिखे हैं.
But हम credit इन्हीं को देंगे क्योंकि we don't want to be lynched for this. Well done, Vishal and Farah. And of course, like Farah was very surreptitiously and quietly making this. Ladies and gentlemen, the company which has released our music, one of the finest companies.
और जो हमारे सब पैसे खा जाएंगे.
नहीं ऐसा मत बोलो. Public platform पे मत बोल. Here we'll be nice to. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the biggest music company in the country and one of the most wonderful people and our friend Bhushan. Can we have him here? Bhushan, where are you? Thank you, Bhushan, for standing by us always. Thank you. Thank you very much. And some of the singers for the film are here, so we'd of course like them to be here because this is the music launch and this music happens, which is the first packaging of the film, the first look of the film. It's not possible without these wonderful men, women, boys and girls. So please put your hands together first for
Sunidhi Chauhan.
Sunidhi Chauhan. And next in line, I think you've already heard her tonight, the beautiful voice of the one and only Neethi. वो दूसरे कोई शो में जा चुके हैं कहीं और परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं इस वक्त.
Now we will see the magic.
Yes,
Can you
finally.
all make a circle around this?
Semicircle.
Semicircle around this.
Don't be silly. Some of the girls can come in, Neethi and Sunidhi can come this side. Thank you. Come here, okay.
And let the magic begin.
Best we can show you right now. But आप लोगों को जो चाबियां मिली हैं उस really really cool all of you and to Sinayog and everyone who's been involved with it. Thank you for being part of this film. Thank you very much.
Okay, so शाहरुख भाई, हम प्रेस पे सारे सवाल छोड़े उससे पहले हमारे जितने भी फैंस हैं जो ट्विटर पे अभी पागल हुए जा रहे हैं आप सब लोगों से सवाल पूछने के लिए, बहुत ही अजीबोगरीब.
एक सेकंड लूं before you start. I'm sorry. First, thank you for this wonderful job and being here. Because it's a music launch, there are some singers who are not present with us right now, and some who were present, but because of our nonsense memory, especially mine, I forgot to call them on stage. So first of all, I'd like to mention and thank you Shankar, who's not here, Mr. KK, Arijit Saab, and Shreya, who's not here, and Mika. They're all part of the music that you'll hear, and we have two of them here who performed in front of you, and I'd like to call them on stage and thank them personally, which is Kanika and Dr. Zeus.
Can we hear it for them, guys?
Let's hear it for them. Thank you, Kanika. Thank you, Dr. Zeus. Thank you both of you. The song they've done in collaboration with Vishal Shekhar and Vishal Shekhar who've added this massive number. We're not going to talk about it too much because the film is about all of us. It's not just about a song. It's not about just a moment in the film. It's all about us. But this song, we want to thank you personally for doing this for Vishal Shekhar and us. Thank you very much, both of you. Thank you. Bless you both.
शाहरुख भाई, अगर अब आपकी इजाजत हो तो
Go for it now.
Go for it, sir.
सर एक्चुअली जब से
हाँ, मैं कह रहा था कि बहुत सारे अजीबो गरीब सवाल आ रहे हैं. I'm so sorry. सबसे बहुत ही अजीब सवाल मुझे लगा कि आप अपने सर में कौन सा तेल लगाते हैं कि आज भी आपके बाल इतने घने हैं.
ये सच में पूछा है सर?
ये सच्ची में किसी ने पूछा ये कि आपके बाल आज भी इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं? मतलब हम 4 लोगों के बाल मिला के आपके अकेले के इतने घने हैं.
बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं तुम 4 लोगों की मिलाकर मुझसे कम ही रहेंगी दोस्त. बट ये सैमसन डिलाइला वाली
आप लोगों के हिसाब से पूरी कास्ट ऑफ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर में से सबसे बेस्ट सिंगर कौन?
बेस्ट सिंगर
My vote goes to Boman and Abhishek.
तो यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉ हो गया है.
बमन एंड अभिषेक.
Yeah.
So we will compete and finalize this.
final
And जितनी लाउड क्लैप्स होंगी उसके हिसाब से विनर आज डिसाइड होगा।
बिल्कुल सर, अभी क्या अभी
कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप दोनों?
बमन
एज बिफोर ब्यूटी।
बमन भजन बहुत अच्छे गाते हैं।
तो कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप? अभिषेक, you choose whichever one.
You know only one song.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. Okay.
We are the world.
We are the world. हिंदी का हमारे पिक्चर गाने वाले कोई म्यूजिक लॉन्च है हमारा गाना।
आपकी फिल्म का कोई गाना?
मंगा लागे।
Right, 'cause it's a nonsense key night. I'm feeling alright 'cause it's a nonsense key night. I'm feeling alright 'cause it's a nonsense key night. Oh monkey, what knows flavor of ginger and a flavor of ginger in the jungle. Peacock is dancing. Who has seen her? Seen her? Seen her? Seen her? Seen her? Seen her? Now Baman's bit.
Baman, yes sir.
Who's his stick?
Whichever song.
Who's his stick?
Who's his stick? His is buffalo.
Or do you think Abhishek was better?
बताइए अभिषेक। Oh, so we have a clear winner here.
Well, superb sir, thank you so much. Such great voices, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for all of them. Moving ahead to our next question, which is for the very beautiful and the very
Thank you.
The very vivacious and I think the most beautiful ever I've ever.
Thank you very much.
सोनू के बारे में तू इतनी चीजें बोल रहा है, कैसा
कितनी सोनू की तारीफ करेगा तू?
जी नहीं शाहरुख भाई, अब it's for Deepika जी।
कितना शर्मा रहा है,
मैं
कितना शर्मा रहा है।
I know, इनको देख के शर्म निकल आती है। Well, आपके लिए सवाल है, all the way from India, from Florida, इलियाना का। इलियाना ये पूछती है कि पूरी फिल्म में 5 हीरोज हैं और आप एक अकेली लीडिंग लेडी है, तो आपको कैसा लगा इन 5 हीरोज के साथ काम करना?
In fact, we were just discussing that backstage.
Really?
Just before we walked on, he said, "You must be loving it, na, that you're the only woman and you're surrounded by 5 handsome hunks." But yeah, I was telling him that it makes me feel really special. It makes me feel like they've taken such good care of me. They've always like been so protective and so caring and like always put me first before anything else.
अभिषेक जो हैं
सबसे मस्त
वो
है,
मेक श्योर करते हैं कि दीपिका को हमेशा खाना मिलता रहे। ही इज आवर
And
मेन
vice
शेफ
versa,
एंड वाइस
okay?
वर्सा।
Okay.
ही इज द हेड ऑफ फूड एंड केटरिंग
And I'm head of feeding.
एंड फीडिंग। शी फीड्स। सोनू हमारे बॉडीगार्ड है। दीपिका को कोई देख नहीं सकता।
अच्छा
हम लोग भी जो हैं डार्क ग्लासेस पहन कर आते हैं। आपने देखा होगा जब हम जा रहे थे तो बोमन झोली चुके हैं, उनके दुपट्टे को उठाकर चल रहे थे कि उनके पैर में ना आ जाए। ही इज अ मैन फ्राइडे एंड विवान इज द जेस्टर, इज द पंचिंग बैग। जब भी दीपिका गुस्सा होती हैं अपनी किसी चीज पर वो विवान को बुलाकर मारती हैं। मेरी वो फिल्म का ना वो डायलॉग अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझको, विवान वहां पे आ जाता है। मुझे और फारा को वो कुछ कह नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमारे साथ शुरुआत थी, तो हमको प्यार ही करती है वो कुछ नहीं कहती।
Most of the time I used to cut Deepika's scene, so I got to spend time with the 5 boys.
ये हुई ना बात, एक बार जोरदार तालियां गाइस, come on for the whole cast of Happy New Year.
आई थिंक जब बहुत सारे लोग जैसे हम सब यहाँ पर हैं और टीम भी है जो बैक स्टेज है, सब इकट्ठे होते हैं, एकत्रित होते हैं एक ऐसी फिल्म के लिए, तो एक खुशी का माहौल होता है। And every evening when we have a function like this, whether it was the trailer launch or the music launch, let me honestly tell you, हम 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20 जितने भी लोग हैं बहुत दुखी होते हैं क्योंकि फिल्म हमारे हाथ से अब जा रही है, आप लोगों के पास आ रही है।
I am very sad today. I'm
Yeah,
going to cry
she's been
any
telling
minute.
कि मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे, मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे। So it's the celebration of what we've done for 2 years. The process has been most beautiful, and we try to actually, let me be honest, we are all together. It is for all of us to have a good evening, and it is for all of us to let go of something which is very special to us. फिल्म कैसी होगी, कहाँ जाएगी, वो अल्लाह मियाँ के हाथ में and audience के हाथ में. But we feel that every aspect of this film will just go out and be nice. So I want to thank our producers, Kareem and Karuna, who worked very hard for this, Cineyog, everyone. You know, every time we just want to celebrate letting
And our
out a little
digital
bit of our
team.
film. And our digital team, Manish and all who worked this out.
PR Mandvi.
सारे thank कर ले अभी.
And I want to thank Shahrukh because really when I asked him कि हम इतनी publicity हमें करने की शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है, he said ज़रूरत नहीं है, but we want to do it from heart, so we get more and more occasions to be together and to celebrate this movie together.
मैं मन वाला आगे लड़की की तरह गाना चाहूंगा. No, I can't sing. I will not sing. वो क्या लाइन है हमारी जो इंडिया वाले से पहले? हाँ. How does it start? कामिल साहब ने लिखा है बहुत खूबसूरत. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज ही दंगा रहता है, जहां रोज रोज अखबारों में स्कैमों का पंगा रहता है, जहां आम आदमी सड़कों पर आधा सा नंगा रहता है. इस हाल में भी, इस दौर में भी हर दिल में तिरंगा रहता है. इसका रैप वर्जन फिल्म की रिलीज पर मैं करूंगा. हम इस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज okay, sorry, okay.
And R's and all sorts of sounds that went on. Was it difficult putting that body together, because you know you also went through an injury while you were filming and things like that. Was it difficult putting that kind of a body together after that?
Is this question for me?
Shah Rukh.
Oh, his body, हाँ.
मेरी ऐसी है, मैं naturally beautiful हूँ. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. All of them know here that I'm not a big eater. I like to be healthy. I like to play games. And मैं कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं करूँगा कि ऐसा मेहनत किया और 2.5 दिन रात भर और दिन भर और ऐसा खाना खाया. You know, you just be regularly fit, and then yes, of course, when you have special ladies like Deepika and Farah, and you know, they appreciate in a sweet way, a nice way.
I don't appreciate in a sweet way.
Okay, I didn't want to bring that cheap aspect of your lecherousness, but yeah, I mean, really, I'm very shy about this. This is good. I just do it because I'm required to do in a film, but besides that, nothing. मतलब ऐसा 40-50 दिन में हो जाता है अगर थोड़ी सी मेहनत करो तो. But if you're with Deepika and Abhishek, and if they're feeding you, you can't have abs like this. Let me make this very clear.
Hi Bharti.
Hi Farah.
I've taken out. Nasir bullied me a lot when we were shooting Mehuna, because it was my first film, so he used to bully me a lot. Let's say I've taken out all that bhadas on Vivan this time. No, but really they are completely different people. I mean, I also worked with Nasir when he was much senior, and this is Vivan's second movie, and he's just such a wonderfully clean-hearted and good boy. I don't think he has one negative thought in his head. I don't think he has dialogues in his head also when he comes on set, but but I think it was for me, I mean, of course, working with Nasir was great, but I think really I was happier working with Vivan.
Really well. So could you talk something about that? Hole Hole, Chaiya Chaiya, Darde Disco, now this.
More than that, I'd like to talk about Radhe Radhe. I think Sukhwinder Saab is a very special singer. We all love him. I think he's got a very special voice. I saw him recording. I normally don't go for recordings. I'm musically tone deaf. One night, for Chalte Chalte, I think he was singing a song. One of the few singers I've seen who sings the song in one go. Or as a mic ke samne, as a aage piche. He's an amazing performer, amazing singer. And Radhe Radhe and is basically Abhishek's song, his introduction, and has a very special place in the film because all of us for the first time in the film kind of come together and win in our lives. So it's an amazing, celebrative, happy song, and I think nobody better than Sukhwinder Saab. And yes, I'll say it again, whether it's Chaiya Chaiya, whether it is Kuch Kariye, Darde Disco, I mean, he's
completely mad, and which is why I love using him. And like Shah Rukh said, one of the few singers I actually go for the recording, and I'm there throughout the whole day because he goes completely mad while singing, and he does things to the song that you can't record, like you can't compose it, he just does it.
And not just for our songs, I think any song that Sukhwinder Saab sings, it can't go wrong. He's fantastic because he does it from the heart.
मेरा सवाल है फराह खान से. एक कामयाब डायरेक्टर है, फिर भी आप सुपरस्टार को लेकर फिल्म बनाते हो, आप नए को लेकर फिल्म क्यों नहीं बनाते?
अरे ये कौन, विवान नया ही है भाई, जायद खान भी नया था, अमृता राव भी, बॉन भी नया ही है.
उसमें शाहरुख खान था.
हाँ बस मैं ही पुराना हूँ.
जब मैंने इनके साथ काम किया था भी दीपिका नहीं थी फर्स्ट मूवी, भूल गए आप, क्या बात कर रहे हो यार.
और अगर करे तो ऐसी की तैसी तेरी क्यों ना करे यार.
होंगे न्यू कमर्स तुम्हारे पास, मेरे पास शाहरुख खान है.
उसमें कौन से डांसेस करने वाले? आर यू बिगनिंग विद हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड अदर फिल्म्स आल्सो?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने सबने डिसाइड किया है कि हम सारी टीम जा रही है हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की. तो हम उसमें से 2-3 गाने जरूर करेंगे. आई थिंक लवली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है. आई थिंक हमारा इंडिया वाले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है. मन लागे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अपना राधे राधे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसको करेंगे. लेकिन वर्ल्ड टूर है और हम चाहेंगे कि जितने भी एक्टर्स यहाँ पर हैं उनके सबसे फेमस हैं, सबसे अच्छे गाने हम शोकेस करें कि लोगों को एंटरटेनमेंट मिले. इट्स नॉट अ सेल्फ शो फॉर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, but it just happens to be the Happy New Year team, which is, as a matter of fact, we are going to do the Dhoom song also. And अगर मुझे दीपिका अलाउ करेगी तो दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड बनूंगा मैं. थोड़ा सा मैं दिल्ली वाला हूँ तो if she, I've been requesting her, allow me to do it. So we'll do all the songs that all of us have done because we are a team which is very happy, wanting to be part of each other's lives, each other's profession, each other's high points. And I think that's why the tour is going to be a very happy one. It's not a tour to take Happy New Year forward. It's a tour where the Happy New Year team is coming and showcasing what they've done for the last 5, 6, 7 years since whenever
Don't
we have
forget Baman and me also performing our love song.
And Baman and Farah, let me tell you, सबसे special जो item है 6-pack ऐप के साथ दर्द डिस्को आप देखने को आपको मिलेगा, जो जिंदगी में एक ही बार देखने को मिलेगा, उसके बाद शायद आप देखना चाहें. But that's the main throw of this show is that.
Sheikh, since Shahrukh said that all the actors will be dancing on their favorite numbers, will you choose any of your favorite number for your pa?
For my? From pa?
Daddy, for daddy, for
my
Amit Ji.
No, but I'm going on the tour. No, he's not.
Amit Ji's film.
I didn't understand the question. Sorry.
From Amit Ji's film.
Am I going to do any of Dad's songs?
Yeah.
No, sorry. मेरे भी 1-2 गाने हैं, वही कर लूंगा मैं. सॉरी, वही करना पड़ेगा.
You know, Chennai Express in Tamil, it was a big hit on Sun TV.
Repeat it again.
So, did that give you the confidence to come out with Tamil and Telugu versions of Happy New Year also?
You know, I took out the Tamil and Telugu version of Ravan also. And that didn't give me any confidence. I keep making the same mistakes again and again and again. And I'm happy doing them because I think the films that we make are for the country. And whichever language our country speaks, whether they're 196, I remember from Chennai Express. देखो Chennai Express बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I wonder why. But you know, it's for the country. I would like our film to be showcased in every language. Whatever is practically possible, logistically possible. So Tamil, Telugu, of course. And I've been telling my office, I've been telling everyone, let's do it in Bhojpuri, let's do it in Bengali, let's do it in Punjabi, in Parsi, for 60 people. And
let me tell you when Shahrukh, when Sonu speaks, you'll feel you're watching a Punjabi movie, not a
वो Punjabi version है हमारा. इधर picture है कि why should we feed him? So we have that version. But yeah, I really want everyone to see whichever language the film is, even if it's shot in Tamil, I think it should be dubbed in every language. We have so many India is very different from any other country in the world. And I think we should respect that, love that, and you know, whatever turns you on in terms of the region you are on, region you are in, you know, that I like the film in this language, if it appeals to you in that language, whether it's Marathi, whether it's Punjabi, whether it's, I think we should find, this is my secret desire, that we should make a film in whichever language and dub it in all, subtitle it in all, and release it all over the country. We have so many languages, so many beautiful people, and I think that's the best way to reach everyone.
And Jyoti, you're a very dear friend of ours. This time, please buy a ticket and watch this movie.
Sun TV is good, but just kind of.
इसका मतलब है प्रेस शो नहीं होने वाला है.
वो भी फ्री में है यार.
नहीं, प्रेस शो के लिए चार्ज करने वाले हैं इस बार.
अच्छा, Farah, back to that question, why Happy New Year was delayed by 10 years?
Yeah, Jyoti, I don't know. So many things happened after Mehuna. I got married, then I wrote some other version of it, and we didn't like it. So then we made Om Shanti Om. After that, I had children. So it just went on. I think a movie has its destiny and a time, and only when that time comes, the movie gets made. And I'm glad that it's being made today, because I don't think 10 years ago it would have been made on this scale, with this grandeur, with the kind of production value that Shahrukh's Red Chillies has put in it. So I think this is the right time for Happy New Year to come out.
Farah, tell the truth, actually at that time Vivan was not born.
Yes, that too.
And Vivan wasn't born, and Baman wasn't young enough that time, so we were just waiting for him to.
चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में एक डायलॉग काफ़ी हाईलाइट हुआ था कि कहाँ से लाई ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी यूनिट्स पे. तो इस फिल्म में भी एक डायलॉग है कि इजी लगता है मोहिनी का डांस, यू नो दैट कुड यू जस्ट लगता है इट विल बी हाईलाइट ऑफ द फिल्म, और कुड यू से द डायलॉग प्लीज?
The which one? Art है art. इजी लगता है मोहिनी का डांस? इजी नहीं है, डांस एक पूजा है, डांस एक आर्ट है, आर्ट.
And your line, Abhishek's line after that.
हाँ तो मैंने कब बोला नो है? वही है ना डायलॉग? हाँ जी, इंग्लिश जी, वो भी सुनना चाहेंगे आप? अच्छा, हमारे YouTube के काफी हिट्स हैं, उसमें जाके क्लिक कीजिए, लाइक प्रेस करिए, वो दिख जाएगा आपको, जितने भी बार आपको चाहे वो सुन सकते हैं आप कि इंग्लिश 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 इंग्लिश. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, मुझे भी बहुत याद आती है उनकी. वो पीछे वाले स्टूडियो में केबीसी की शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, इसके बाद तुरंत जाके उनसे पूछूंगा क्या मैं आपका एक गाना परफॉर्म कर सकूं, और क्या मैं आपका जो डायलॉग है आई कैन वॉक इंग्लिश, आई कैन टॉक इंग्लिश, वो प्लीज. थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने मेरे पूज्य पिताजी का याद मुझे दिला दिया फिर से. धन्यवाद, जय हिंद.
हाय फरा.
As dancers, yes, Deepika is the best dancer. तूने ऐसे किया ना, ऐसे मेरे को बोलने के लिए. Just copying. And Shahrukh is also the best dancer.
Split in a sari, huh?
1 to 10 please, on a scale of
1 to 10. Nobody can do what Vivan does.
I can't beat Vivan. Oh, you are taking advantage.
See, Faridun
and pants. That is not fair.
Deepika, come on, baby.
Yeah, sari. What?
Baby, do something. Come on. Both of us will do. Come. Easy लगता है.
Dum dum tak, dum tak tak 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 dum dum tak.
जितनी भी लड़कियां दिल्ली में हैं, सब अपने आप को आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड मानती हैं, तो सबकी तरफ से एक थैंक्स फरा मैम को कि 2 बार तसल्ली बख्श एब्स जो दिखाई हैं शाहरुख भाई की, आपने दिखाई हैं. तो एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ, अब टोटल है कितनी, मतलब
देखो एक्चुअली 10 हैं, लेकिन हम 8 बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि नेक्स्ट फिल्म में हम फिर क्या बोलेंगे, 12 तो नहीं बोल सकते तो नेक्स्ट फिल्म में हम 10 बोलेंगे.
और मेरा एक पुरानी फिल्म थी जो फारा ने पहला मेरा गाना किया था, कभी हाँ कभी ना, उसमें लाइन थी, हर किसी ने मेरे ऐप देखे, हुनर को ना देखा.
She is not like she is my children.
Children are here, we should not discuss her other babies in front of her babies right now.
Deepika cannot be Farah's baby because Deepika has not come in triplet.
Tell me a name, young man.
Nayandeep.
Nayan.
Oh, Nayandeep. तू ही है जो फोन करता है मुझे.
Oh, फारा तेरे बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे, सब बातें मत expose कर उनके सामने. Nayan, I'm not a marketing genius. You know, films take their own life. I find it redundant to be talking about marketing. I have these wonderful people here, Vivan, Boman, Farah, Deepika, Abhishek, Sonu, Jaguda, who's not here, and so many other people. We enjoy the process of filmmaking, and marketing is about informing people. And when you have a set of, a team which becomes so happy doing the film, whichever film that I've done, whichever film, especially this film, because we're such like a family, the marketing keeps happening. So there's no new idea, new thought. We just am actually like what we told in the beginning, that we feel bad that we are not getting enough time to spend together after the last 1.5 years. So whatever little moment we get, whatever chance we get, all of us are extremely busy. The slam tour, I don't even think most of us are not very, very prepared also. We are still working on it. We are trying our best. I think it's just the happiness of being together. We celebrate that. And I always say this, whether people believe it or not, all of us are together in this. I want you guys to come down, have an evening where, of course, you're going to talk about my film, you're going to talk about all the actors, whatever's happening in the film, and inshallah, it'll do well. But if you have a good evening of entertainment together, because we all love being part of films. So marketing and all the details of it,
let me tell you, every
understand,
time we think of how to promote the movie, Shahrukh always says that we have to make sure that y'all have to have a good time. It should not be just another evening for y'all also. So a lot of thought goes in entertaining y'all when y'all come to do our for our promotions.
Yeah, there's a press conference on this. I think ZTV is taking us around the whole country, and we're all going to perform, and it's going to be a different kind of city visitation, completely different from what we've done, because I think we need to make it better, more entertaining, and more happy. Because, you know, when I've been to Baroda, we went for Chennai, for all the films we've been, there are lakhs of people who come, wait from 2 in the afternoon for 6 o'clock for 10 minutes of spending time with us in a bad echoing mall. The mall is beautiful, the sound, acoustics are not nice. So we just decided we'll all go, make that extra effort, spend 4 hours rehearsing in a place which is more, you know, in tune with performances, and perform for people for a couple of hours and make them feel happy in every city. You know, that's what we do. We've all been very exploited in this film, really.
Last question. Manvi, you have said that 4 times.
हाँ, मैं तो बोलती रहे और ये लोग पूछते रहेंगे, फिक्र मत कर.
क्योंकि देखिए अभी तो 300 करोड़ बनने वाले हैं, उसके बाद तो आप लोग बात करेंगे ही और प्रमोशन में जाएंगे. उसके पहले मैं पूछ लेता हूँ, आधे लोगों का काम कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर, कि हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आपके हिसाब से कब बहुत जबरदस्त रहा?
मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हैप्पी न्यू ईयर यही रहा है. बड़े साल से इंतजार था कि कब ऐसा साल हो. बट आई थिंक ऑल थैंक्स टू फराह एंड शाहरुख हु गेव मी द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ईयर ऑफ माय लाइफ.
अभिषेक सेम क्वेश्चन.
What was the question? हाँ. Well, I'm pretty sure for everybody on this dais that this is going to be a very happy new year. सब लोग ने बहुत मेहनत की है इस फिल्म पे, and we're all immensely proud of the film. And जैसे कि शाहरुख ने पहले भी कहा that I don't think anybody wants to let the film go, but it has to be released. And I think it is going to be a happy new year for everybody. And the gentleman over there who asked about why we're releasing on not on New Year, Diwali is the start of a new year, so it is going to be a very happy new year.
Deepika.
I don't believe in waiting for New Year's to make a resolution or to change something that I want to about myself or my life. If I believe that I believe that if I want to do something, you do it there and then. You don't wait for New Year's.
शाहरुख, आपने एक बार मुझसे प्रॉमिस किया था हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के समय कि मैं हर साल 4 फिल्में करूंगा, लेकिन आपने नहीं किया. हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, जितनी जल्दी फिल्में करें, एंटरटेन करें लोगों को.
मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि एक फिल्म मैं 1 साल में ख़त्म कर लूँ. एक तो मेरी वजह से मैं ही कुछ 11 बजे सेट पर पहुँचता हूँ तो सब लेट हो जाते हैं. यार इट्स जस्ट इम्पॉसिबल. आजकल फिल्में इतनी बड़ी हो गई हैं माशाल्लाह, इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, और सब जो हैं प्रोफेशनल हैं, साथ में काम करते हैं, एक फिल्म एट अ टाइम. 4 तो अब मैं कभी नहीं कर सकूँगा मुझे लगता है, unless people start shooting films in about 5 days, which is impossible, or give me a 5-day role. But I'll try my best. I keep on working round the clock, hoping to make more films, but it's impossible. I really want to do a lot of more films, make everyone happy, different kind of films, all of us I'm sure. But थोड़ा professionalism आना बहुत ज़रूरी है film industry में, और उसके लिए मुझे लगता है, I think the most important part is actors, directors, producers, technicians do one film at a time. It will make our film industry a much better place. I think internationally also we'll gain a lot more. If we just complete one film, take a little break, get into the next character, next film with the next director, and then go on. ये 4-5 फिल्मों करने का जो है थोड़ा सिस्टम पुराना हो गया है.
Everybody can bring happiness and bring a smile to everyone's face. So I really think that this film will bring a smile to all your faces.
That's why we don't give him the mic.
Express in Tamil, it was a big hit on Sun TV.
Repeat it again.
So, did that give you the confidence to come out with Tamil and Telugu versions of Happy New Year also?
You know, I took out the Tamil and Telugu version of Ravan also, and that didn't give me any confidence. I keep making the same mistakes again and again and again, and I'm happy doing them because I think the films that we make are for the country, and whichever language our country speaks, whether they're 196, I remember from Chennai Express. तेरे को Chennai Express बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I wonder why. But you know, it's for the country. I would like our film to be showcased in every language, whatever is practically possible, logistically possible. So Tamil, Telugu, of course, and I've been telling my office, I've been telling everyone, let's do it in Bhojpuri, let's do it in Bengali, let's do it in Punjabi, in Parsi, for 60 people. And
let me tell you when. Shahrukh, when Sonu speaks, you'll feel you're watching a Punjabi movie, not a
वो पंजाबी वर्जन है हमारा. कितने पिक्चर है कि why should we feed him? So we have that version. But yeah, I really want everyone to see whichever language the film is, even if it's shot in Tamil, I think it should be dubbed in every language. We have so many India is very different from any other country in the world. And I think we should respect that, love that, and you know, whatever turns you on in terms of the region you are on, region you are in, you know, that I like the film in this language, if it appeals to you in that language, whether it's Marathi, whether it's Punjabi, whether it's, I think we should find, this is my secret desire, that we should make a film in whichever language and dub it in all, subtitle it in all, and release it all over the country. We have so many languages, so many beautiful people, and I think that's the best way to reach everyone. नहीं, post show के लिए charge करने वाले हैं इस बार.
Farah, back to that question, why Happy New Year was delayed by 10 years?
Yeah, Jyoti, I don't know. So many things happened after Main Hoon Na. I got married, then I wrote some other version of it, and we didn't like it. So then we made Om Shanti Om. After that, I had children. So it just went.